Good morning. I'm gonna wake up the neighbors. Since y'all were crying about me not letting it warm up, which I did. It was just the way that Chase cut the video, but let it warm up. Okay, this is as warm as it's been because I gotta get to school. Oh, there's Chase. He's filming me. It's so loud. It's so loud. Oh, this is a button. Oh, yay. It worked. Okay. Okay, turn off. You're being annoying. Have my coffee because we're coming back from a week's break. And I already know my kids are about to be off the chain. Sold some stuff, some house furniture to some people at my work. So I had to drive Chase's truck because it won't fit in the back of my car because it's like a desk and a dresser. Here's another vlog of me driving to work. Y'all seem to like it. So yeah, here we go. Sunset number 1. Okay, update. Turns out I was blinding everybody with Chase's headlights. Again, we're starting off the day great. Sorry people that I've been passing. I've passed like 8 cars. I was burning people's retinas again. If you don't know why I'm saying again, go watch my last vlog of my drive to work because it happened there. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, he's gonna kill me. Oh my god, Chase is gonna kill me. Why me? Hey, someone just hit your truck. In by the Mapco. I don't know, I was in the turning lane and I guess they didn't see me and they came over on me and hit it. Yeah, I just feel bad. I don't know. She told me to turn into the gas station. So I haven't gotten out yet because we were in the middle of an intersection, like turning, about to turn. I mean, it scraped it pretty bad. I think it's the back of your truck. Hey.
Yeah.
Can you please send me your insurance card?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm so sorry. It wasn't my fault, but I'm so sorry.
It's alright. We're coming by the...
Okay. Alright. Okay, love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Bye. Y'all, I feel so bad. It was not my fault, but I feel so bad. I still can't. Oh gosh, Chase. I felt so bad. As y'all can probably tell if he puts me, literally, I was shaking and crying because, of course, it would happen when I drive his truck. But everybody was nice. And just for the record, it was not my fault. I had my blinker on. I was in the turning lane. And it just I don't know how she didn't see me, but she did not see me. And I'm like, girl, how did you not see this big truck? But she just didn't see me. And she came over, and I wish I would have been filming because I was in disbelief. But yeah, so Chase is on the way, and the police officers were super nice, and like I said, she admitted to it, so it's been pretty smooth. I've never been in an accident before, and thank goodness it wasn't a bad one, and everybody was okay. So wow, and it's only 6:38.
Fender down. Yeah. Unreal. So thankfully not the whole truck, just the fender. I'm sure y'all saw Lorin having a meltdown.
All of it. I was literally shaking.
Yeah, I could tell. I know. You know what's crazy? If I had the wides on, she might have hit the wheel and not hit the truck. Yeah. But then again, she also might have just ruined the wheel and hit the truck. So yeah, apparently the mirror hit here and then drove through. Apparently Lorin, well, y'all saw the footage, but yeah, I'll take a fender. It sucks, but fender and a little fang thing. Get that.
Yeah.
I gotta get this
Okay.
footage.
Are you sure you want to take that right now?
So you're gonna be dash camless for the rest of the day.
How do you feel?
How bad did it tear her car up, or did it just get the mirror?
You can go. I think it's just the mirror, to be honest.
All right.
Love you.
Love you. So there's the culprit. Unreal.
Stay there for like 5 hours.
Of course, Chase's truck. So great. Update on my feelings. Oh, Chase told me that I talk a lot in these, but I'm funny, so Chase. Now that I've calmed down and can actually process that, you know, somebody ran into Chase's truck. I felt her hit, and then I heard, and I was like, oh no. I thought that she hit the back of Chase's truck, like the truck bed, and that she scraped down it. And so I thought it was way worse than what it was. Thank goodness it wasn't. She hit the front of Chase's truck, which means she was literally right next to Chase's truck when she came over. And she said that she did not see me. And I was like, girl, how'd you miss this whole truck? This is a whole big old truck. How did you miss it? You were right next to it. She also told the police officer that she was like, I was trying to get some air in my tires, and I was just trying to get over here. Guys, I have made up my mind. I am not driving Chase's truck again. Let's just say a prayer. Let's just say a prayer. Jesus, please don't just get me home safe today with only one dent. Please, Lord. I can't take another. And in some fun news, we're about to romp on it, because we all know that Lorin Collins loves a little rompy romp action. That was cringy, I'm sorry. This truck's fast. I can't remember if it's his black ones that he always has, or if he had his snowflakes on. I can't remember the last time I drove his truck what he had on there. But they were loud, like you could hear them all throughout the video. And so he recently got a new set of wheels and tires. thought they were on the truck because I haven't really looked at his truck. And when me and him were driving in it, they're pretty loud too. But when I'm driving it today, I noticed, I was like, man, actually, you know, these are pretty quiet to be, you know, like big wheels and tires. They're not as loud. When I got out, after I got hit, I was like, he done took off his nice wheels and tires because he knew I was driving his truck. And I would like to say, I have never, knock on wood, ever curb Chase's wheels. He is the only one that has curbed his wheels. So I was offended. I was like, okay. Of course, I'm the one that had to get hit by someone. It's like I told him, at least it wasn't me. Because I'm very cautious when I drive Betty White, because I love Betty White. And that's, I think, I just want you guys to know that I was not scared to tell Chase that that someone hit Chase's truck. I was not scared to tell him that. I just felt really bad because he works so hard on this channel and his trucks that I felt bad that, you know, it happened. So that's where, and I was also in shock because, like I said, I've never been in a wreck, and of course it wasn't bad. So, but that's where all of those emotions were coming from. If he does show that clip, I was not scared to tell him. It was just, I was like, oh my gosh, A, someone just ran into me, and B, I had no idea how bad the damage was, and then C, like I said, he works so hard on his trucks and on this channel that it just made me feel really bad. So that was what all those emotions were about. Show him some love, because he's the best, and he works so hard. Love you! Okay, friends, I've made it. With only one day. It's gonna be a great day. I'll catch up with you guys after school. Leave it to me. Leave it to Lorin to always find a way to make things eventful. So, I'm finally home. I hope you like it. I hope next time it's not as much as of a serious post or serious video. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.